Hello and welcome to hubgrass meditation. Today I just have a smack roll of meditation for you. Winnie the Pooh meditation today. So we are just going to focus on going with the flow, embracing our inner Pooh vibes. If you're ready to get started, find a comfortable position. It can be sitting, laying down, sitting in a chair, anything that's comfortable for you where you can just focus on yourself for 10 minutes today. So when it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes or just bring your lens inwards by focusing your eyesight down to the tip of your nose or the floor around you, and we'll get started. We're going to start by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as we breathe in, breathing into a full belly, not sucking in any way, just relaxing that area, breathing in and breathing out through the mouth. We're going to feel a little heavier in our seat, making sure our back is straight, whether we're sitting or laying down. Relaxing those shoulders down, back, away from the ears. Releasing any tension you feel in the neck. Unsticking your tongue from the roof of your mouth. And relaxing that point in between the eyes, where we focus a lot of our tension. We're going to start by visualizing the 100-acre wood. It's a beautiful green area, lots of trees, flowers. You can hear the birds chirping, see the sun radiating through the trees. And we're just going to focus on going with the flow. We've all seen when a problem is presented to Pooh, how he takes it in and lets it right back out. He doesn't let things get him down for too long. So as we visualize the 100-acre wood, we're going to channel our inner Winnie the Pooh. And if you get distracted by honey or a bee, that's okay. If your mind begins to wander, don't try and control it too hard. Who wouldn't? And as we're here in the 100-acre wood, we're going to start to think about all our friends here, like Piglet, Eeyore, Kanga, and Roo, and all the fun times we have together. And can you think of anyone in your life that embodies the energy of Piglet or Rabbit, or even the Tigger in your life that kind of brings that chaotic but fun energy? As I said earlier, if your mind begins to wander, just bring it back. And just accepting that that's how the mind works. It wanders, and that is okay. Now we know that Pooh can be a pretty brave character, except for when it comes to heffalumps and woozles. But just like heffalumps and woozles, things can seem a lot scarier than they actually are. And it's easier to handle those things when you have an amazing support system, just like Pooh does. And again, if your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Just bring it right on back to the 100-acre wood. And as we're strolling through the 100-acre wood, thinking of our friends, what are some ways we can bring that energy into our day-to-day life? Can we embrace those fun moments with our friends? Can we truly enjoy a meal just like Pooh does? Or can we just take the time to enjoy going on a walk with a dear friend? Or can you be the Pooh in your friend's life? Be the supportive but fun friend that sees the best in everything. Can you be the one today to say, "Oh, bother," when things maybe don't go as planned, and just when you need to shake something off? Can you be the one to take a second and step back and say, think, 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 when a problem comes to you? I truly believe we all have a little Pooh in us and can embrace the small moments and enjoy every second. We're going to take a couple deep breaths again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feeling a little bit more present in our seat. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just starting to wiggle those fingers and toes. And one last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth, and opening up the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for a 10-minute Winnie the Pooh meditation. I hope this meditation brought a smile to your face, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.